Hello everyone, greetings of the day. My name is Daniel Ashraf, and this is my introductory video with the pre-work assignment which I have received. In this assignment, I have to develop an AI powered application for the operational leads in PnC teams. The purpose of the development of this application was to create the efficiency, transparency amongst the people for developing as well. So I have prepared a data set and I have used sample data set for around 11 to 12 employees, including managers. Also I have made a sample attendance sheet as well as the leave section as well as the policies too. And developing these data sets, I have taken the help of AI to develop that app. I have used ChatGPT to frame the entire structure of the application and taken out certain notes and the purpose why I am doing that and what the logics I would be using it. So I have prepared certain notes too. So let me give you a go through of the application and the practical functions. So let me tell you one thing. In the data sets, there are 5 data sets: attendance, employees, leaves, as well as policies, and also the user data. So there are certain functions which I have used, including the roll up, relations, as well as the lookup, and if then else as well. So using those, I have prepared a data set, and these data set has been used to give results on the application. So the functions I have used over the data sets as well. So you can see the headings as well. So let's come to the layout. So before moving ahead, I would like to give the overview of the application through my Canva. So I have created this design. I was familiar about the Canva, so I have preferred Canva over Figma to create the design prototype. So let's give a preview of it. So once you will open the app, you will find the login section. So once you log in, if you are employee, you will see these two things, and if you are a manager, you will see these things. So one difference that I have already told you is the team overview. Once you move ahead, if you click on the profile section, if you click over here in this part or in this part, either of in the manager view or in the employee view, you will find the profile and you will find the 5 options. This is under the manager view. So now you can navigate to the other options, that is my attendance. Once you nav into the attendance part, so there you can find two things: check in and check out. So it will be automatically feeding the sheets, data sets which are available at the backend. So UI UX, I have tried to keep it simple and minimal. So, and also I have integrated AI simulations, so which would be suggesting that my overall behavior is how, whether I am late, frequent late, or on time, or whatever. So now if you are moving to the team overview section, which is the manager's only view, so there you could see the number of employees under you as well as the number of late entries for the disciplinary sections. And later on we could include the leave approvals as well and leave rejections too. Also, once you will move forward to the my leave section, you will see the leaves that has been approved and the leaves that has been under pending under the portfolio of managers. So here the leaves are approved, you can see here, and the leaves which are under approval, which is 0 right now. And if you want to apply for the leave, I have kept a button right here, so a person doesn't have to go anywhere to find out the apply button. So once you click the apply button, you will find these 3 sections which you have user have to fill. That is the type of leave he is applying for and the dates for which he is applying for. Once he will submit, and for the assistance section, as it has been told that I should integrate the AI, so I have right now integrated the AI simulation. So under the keywords values, it will give you the pre-filled responses regarding the leaves, attendance, as well as the policies, as well as the employee IDs, everything. So I have also created a sample question as well as the response. So this is the prototype of the application. Let's move to the glide app. Now I will show you the practical implications of all these things. So I am right now at the home section of a manager. So here we can see the five things. Sorry, right now, yes, now I am at the manager view section. So here, if you click over the profile, you will see the employee profile. Now if you will navigate to the menu, you will find these things. The same thing you would find over the main screen as well. So right, that is home, then my attendance, team overview, my leaves, and the AI assistant. So once you will move to the my attendance, you will find the previous attendance as well as the check-in part and check-out part, and also you will see the AI insight, that is on time. So it is based on the weekly check-ins and check-outs. Now once you will move forward to the manager view, you will find the number of employees as I have explained earlier, and the number of late entries who joined late in the day. Now if you move forward to the leaves, you will find the leaves that has been previously approved and the total number of approved leaves, as well as the number of pending leaves which is needed to be approved. Now I have put this apply for leave button here, so that the user doesn't have to roam around anywhere and just have to click here. So once he will click, he will have to fill these simple three things, and their employee ID as well as everything would be automatically fetched into the data set. So once you will submit, it will be automatically updated to the managers section. Now this is the AI simulation, so where anyone could question anything. Let's know how many leaves I do have. So it has generated automatic response of SCO. You will find the automatic response here. Now let me give you an overview of the employee part, what an employee would be seeing here. So employee could see these things, employee could see these four things, which are the common things. So these four things are the common, as and one thing, that is team overview and the approvals, which are only for the managers. So this is the entire app I have built, and it took me around 8 to 10 hours to develop that. And before that, I spent time on learning the new concept, that uh, the glide app was, as I have already told, that is new for me, and I have never used glide app earlier, but for this purpose only I learned it. And also some of the functions I have never used, like roll up. So I learned it, and there are so many hit and trial methods which I have used to come up with this result. So for the accuracy as well as the efficiency development, I have used AI, OpenAI, for the help of creating the logics. And I feel that this would definitely create efficiency in the operations team, and it will create transparency among the employees. It will minimize the micromanagement of managers and save time of managers as well. So apps like these could be used for various purposes, be it for the certain location, be it for the entire team, be it for the entire organization. So I feel like that this is one of the useful apps which I have developed right now and must be used for the efficiency and the PnC operations team. And as a lead, I feel like that yes, we need to have certain tools which needs to be used to save time for the organization and create more efficient workflows, as well as uh, the better results for the organization. And overall, my overall experience of developing this uh, AI powered app is very insightful and lesson oriented. I have learned new concepts, new functions, new logics, as well as I have also utilized my ideas and creativity and the understanding of the creatives as well as the UI UX. So this is the whole and sole efforts which I have made to create this efficient and AI powered operations lead in PnC team. So I hope this is sufficient as of now, and if there is any query or any questions or any feedback, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you. Signing off, Daniel Ashraf.